So I wanted to do one thing on like a review for a fridge. This is our fridge, our new one that we got not recently. And we did have before that an LG one, or two LG ones. We had one LG one that only lasted actually 1 year, and then we got another one and that lasted a couple of years. So we wanted to get a different brand, and the person that did the service for us actually suggested this brand that doesn't have as many problems. The kids wanted an ice maker, so that we've got that there. In the other one we had that as well, but in a different section. We have the water here, but yeah, so far we're really happy with it. We got everything that we wanted, and that was in the other one as well. But yeah, we'll let you know